were on the same train, traveling home. You asked me for help carrying the suitcases. We were walking along the tracks, your deep black eyes. We talked for a few minutes, your beautiful smile. The train only passes once, don't miss your chance. You can't go back. We chatted a little, ready to leave. You were a little embarrassed. You said goodbye. You watched me walk away. You smiled without knowing my name. I didn't know yours either, but sometimes a look is enough. The train only passes once, don't miss your chance. You can't go back.